Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, in the day, I have a presentation about portfolio, CV, and my book. And yang terhormat Mr. Dilan Nugraha, Mr. Dilan sudah menyisihkan waktunya for me untuk membahas tentang my book, alright? And I am menjelaskan tentang my portfolio.
I want to explain.
I want to explain my portfolio. My name Dimas Adi Pamungkas, and I am study in Polytechnic in Bogor, jurusan network engineer. And this is my portfolio, and I'm a network engineer professional with experience in managing and optimizing network infrastructure, and I have mastered the CCNA certificate as well as MPCNA and MPCNA, which strengthens my competence in the implementation and management of complex network. With my experience and deep understanding of network technology, I have the ability to provide and I am committed to continuously evolving in the latest technology to contribute optimally in every role I take on. And the next skill and ability, I'm learned in UDN Polytechnic is CCNA certificate CCNA, and I'm sedikit menguasai switching, VLAN, trunking, port security, switch virtual protocol, virtual trunking protocol, spanning tree protocol, switch stacking, routing, OSPF, RIP, static route, dynamic route, AGRP, remote access, SSH, and another. And MPCNA, I'm menguasai basic configuration, well as MAC address filtering, Mainstream, WDS, virtual access point, firewall filter, web block by address list, by content, by layer 7 protocol, transparent DNS, QE, simple QE with burst, simple QE with PCQ, network management, DHCP server, static DHCP, and static DHCP server, DHCP IP, readly only, web proxy, hotspot management, user profile, user server profile hotspot, IP binding, wallet, garden, IP list, binding interface, and bridging. And the next slide. And MPCRE, I'm learning routing static root, load balance, static root failover, root type, static root, summarizing static root, routing police static root, and routing mark static root, change TTL, dynamic routing RIP redundancy, RIP redistribute, RIP authentication, dynamic routing, OSPF authentication, OSPF redundancy, backbone area, OSPF virtual link, OSPF virtual filter, VLAN, tunnel RIP, tunnel PPTP, tunnel IPIP, tunnel GRA, tunnel L2TP, and glass TP OA. In the slides, I'm education in MA Alpha Technologies, and now I'm learning in Polytechnic Irian Bogor. Thus, as my experience, I'm learning MPCNA with my mentor Faris Mutazam, and learning MPCRE, and the last I'm learning CCNA. And my assessment, I give assessment MPCNA and MPCRE. Last slide. My creation is a book Bisa CCNA, and is a panduan CCNA singkat. And the next, and thank you. Is my portfolio. And the next,
Next, you can explain your topic. What the topic that you want to explain to me from the book that you create? This is the book that you create. You can choose one topic that you realize, and then that you can be explained to me. It's up to you. You can choose one topic and then explain to me.
I'm explain about VLAN in Cisco.
Okay.
And Cisco CCNA. And I'm
If you want to open the Cisco Packet Tracer, you can open it, and then practice the lab. And before you create the lab, maybe you can explain the introduction of VLAN, what the meaning of VLAN, and then what the important if we want to create a VLAN, and what the VLAN help us to create network established in our company. Maybe you can explain the introduction first, what the meaning of VLAN, and then you can open on your Chrome what is VLAN, and then choose the topic that you relate, and how does a VLAN work, and you can read in.
Alright. And first, VLAN or virtual local area network is a fundamental component of network design, serving as the tool for optimizing network segmentation and security. And what is VLAN? VLAN or VLAN virtual local area network, commonly known as VLANs, are fundamental concept in modern networking. At its core, VLAN setup is logical software-based segmentation of a physical network. And unlike traditional LAN or local area network, where employee devices are physical connected to the same network segment, VLANs enable creating of isolated virtual network within a physical network infrastructure. Edge VLAN acts as an independent, self-contained network with its own set of rules, security policies, and broadcast domain. And how does VLAN work? VLAN operate by segmenting a single physical network into multiple logical network, each with its own VLAN membership. Devices that belong to particular VLAN share a common membership, meaning they can communicate with one another with restriction, just as they were part of the same physical LAN.
Okay, and then after you explain the concept, you can practice on the Cisco Packet Tracer how VLAN works.
Alright, open Cisco Packet Tracer and
You can create a simple lab.
alright. I'm add switch, one switch and two PC, two endpoint, and add cable. VLAN bekerja di you create in mode public
Configuration mode. Mode configuration.
and VLAN work is in case you type and Mr. type
How many VLAN that you want to create? 2 or 1? 2. 1.
to
2. And
you Mr. VLAN pen tapi bisa memberikan
get a name for that
Yeah.
villain.
for an villain, and you type a name example TRKJ,
Okay.
and this a villain
Okay.
and add a villain again. Sorry. Villain 20, and grade name is Terpel.
Okay. You can close the terminal.
Alright.
Okay. Which villain that work at that endpoint, the under PC?
Yes.
Yes. Which villain that work?
Villain 20.
Okay. The upper villain
Villain 10.
villain 10.
Nice.
Okay. You can add that interface face Ethernet 0/1 to
Yeah.
villain 10.
Or
Yeah, you can add that interface to villain 10.
destination.
No, that interface face Ethernet 0/1, right?
Huh?
No. Okay. Interface face Ethernet 0/1, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. You can configure on that switch. Open the terminal. No, open the terminal switch. Okay. Open interface face Ethernet.
Oh,
No, exit first. Okay. Open the interface Ethernet 0/1. No, just yeah. Okay. Interface FA 0/1. Okay. Configure that interface to open VLAN 10.
destination.
No, yeah, the destination. No. As a network engineer that we want to configure the VLAN, we can adjust that interface to VLAN 10. Example, interface FA 0/1 and then switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, exit. That you have learned about that. Okay,
Oh,
practice
alright.
now.
And tap switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10.
Okay, exit.
And
Okay, and then configure the upper endpoint to interface FA0/2 adjust to VLAN 20. Same with the last example.
and add interface to switch access switch 20.
Okay, no.
Oh,
Access switch port access VLAN. Okay, the from TT sui
oh,
no, wrong. Sui SWITC. Okay, exit. And then do show villain brief. Show me about the villain that you create. Okay. The interface that adjusts to villain, ya.
Yes.
Okay. I think enough for your presentation. Close the terminal. And then this session will be the talking, discussion or pertanyaan dan diskusi. I would like to ask one question to you. You have talked about villain, right?
Yes.
Which villain work in which layer villain work? Which layer villain work? Layer 2 or layer 3?
Layer 1. Layer 2, layer 2.
Layer 2, okay. You said that villain work in layer 2. Okay, right. If I want to add one switch, you can add one switch.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
And then connect cable between switch 1 and switch 2. You can add.
Right.
Okay. Which interface, which protocol that we have to configure in that interface? You can I want to give my opinion. You can you have configured mode access in interface Fast Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2, right?
Yes.
Nah, which protocol that we have to configure in Fast Ethernet 0/3?
Or
What?
VLAN trunking.
Yeah. And then practice now
Alright.
in switch 1.
And you tap we tap switch port
No, you
Interface.
have to
interface FA3
okay.
and tap switch port on the trunking.
Okay. Exit. Okay, I think enough for your presentation and have a nice day. I would like to say appreciate to you have done the final project, and I think enough. Thank you very much for your presentation. You can give a signature first before you close the presentation. Signature on number 1, and then you can close the presentation with hamdalah or with doa kafaratul majlis.
That's all for me. Syukron atas perhatiannya.
Shukran for the attention.
Syukron
Thank you for the attention.
Thank you for attention. And alhamdulillah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.